LTTS. Okay. Okay, LTTS will take a full feature chart. Okay, yet to close above 60, but it's pretty close to 60. Number one. Number two, you can see an MACD crossover yesterday only. One concern is the volumes are not higher as compared to last 5. Okay. What can I increase? Time and okay. Oh, the squeeze you're talking about, is it? But you want me to wait back on the day chart only, na? Just zoom out. I'll remove the Bollinger Band award so that you can get a good trend picture. I'll also remove all this MACD RSI. किती मागे जायचं सांगा? Perfect. Okay. Started uptrend. Big sideways trend. Here you can see. These are some levels that can be easily visible to our normal eye also. See this one. Multiple supports at these levels. Correct? Bigger resistance at pretty high. Agreed. Now if I zoom in a little bit. There is no chart pattern here right now. No specific chart pattern here. How can we analyze? So technically, as I said, RSI is almost there. MACD crossover already done. Check out for certain volume increase. Okay. Bollinger Band squeeze, it was there, I guess. Did we check Bollinger Band? I guess we were just about to check and we stopped. No, it's not a big squeeze. It's barely, no, I mean, this can be start point of a squeeze ideally. It's 19 December. So no direct call on this stock right now. Oh, you're talking about playing in the range. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Then for that, if you want to play in the range, then best is Fibonacci always. I'll tell you 1 minute. How can you use Fibonacci here? Okay. So how do we do a Fibonacci? Tell me. Fib retracement. This seems to be somewhere almost, these two are almost same points only. Lowest to highest is almost here. I leave the click. I'll take it here to the right. Okay. Yeah, so you can play for the 61% right now easily. You can play a short-term call, very short-term call for the 68% because this was a very big support that the stock saw. Correct? Just check this out. 1, 2, 3. A big red followed immediately by big green. One more big and it was a huge red. Okay. Now it started acting as now we went back to the 38 level, good one. And here it has broken the 38 level 2 consecutive days. 2 consecutive days 38 level broken. We can bet for this level right now. 1552. You can play for a 40 points thing. Can be a swing trade for a 40 pointer. 40 pointer only. Because MACD crossover we saw, RSI great chances that it might come up in the 60 pattern. Can be qualified for a short call L&T Technology Services. So can be for a short term frame. Don't use it for a longer frame though. Always higher the better. See, this is okay. Here, if you're talking about this up flag pattern, is this? No. Okay, so this is a down, then sideways, but the sideways is actually here. So it could have been like this actually. It's not qualifying for a flag. More and more flags you practice, it'll be much better. Flag is not formed here only. Because if he's talking about a down flag, here you can see a downtrend, and here it should have been a something like this formation. It has formed above that. So basically you saw a downtrend, then you saw an up move, and after up move here there is a small consolidation. So now you can bet on the up flag pattern again if you want to. It can't be a down flag pattern here. But it's not so clearly evident. I mean, this is not even a proper up move. It's like barely 5-6 candles. Very small up move. Always higher the better. Okay. Wow. Have you understood this? Yes. I'll see you tomorrow for newer and newer patterns. If possible, those who have, you can get your laptops tomorrow. Okay, so that we can practice together also. Okay. We'll be done with other types of flag formations. We can talk about other flag formations in maximum 1 hour, and last 1 hour, 15 minutes, whatever, and last half an hour I'm planning that we all do some practicals together. Okay.